Hey everybody, check out this really cute fold flat box. Folds down like that. Really tiny. This box would be able to hold chapstick or lipstick or a small bottle of perfume, maybe a little makeup. Whatever you want. And I decorated this just a little differently. I put 2 mats of basic white paper. I cut out the tulips and I put them on top with those faux rock or pebbles embellishments. So that's really super cute. All right, so I have a piece of cardstock that is 6 by 4.5, and on the long side we're going to score at 1/2, 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. We're going to flip it round, score at 1/2, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5. All right, we are going to score, fold all of our score lines on this side. And then we're going to flip it around and fold all of the score lines on this side. All right, here's my little paper snips. I'm going to take off this square and rectangle straight away. And on the other side too. And then I'm going to go up on every score line. All right, so if I was to take this and flip it around, and I would notice that the seam was be at the back. So that means that this will be my lid, and this one next to the lid would be a side or a tab, I like to call them. I need to remove this one completely because that's where this tucks into, and then this is a side as well, so, or a tab. I'm going to just wedge out a little bit here. I'm just following what I did here. So I'm making some tabs. I'm going to cut this one off. There we are. I'm just going to lay that down. This is what you should have. You can screenshot it if you wish. Here's my adhesive. I'm going to put a little adhesive along that strip. I'm going to fold the box in half and then in half again. I always like to go over with my thumb to make sure I don't feel any catching, and I don't. I'm going to fold their little box up. I have some designer series paper here. I think this was called Tulip Fields. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me. It was in our occasions catalog or a mini catalog. So these pieces of designer series paper are sized at 7 1/8 by 2 7/8. So really tiny little pieces of paper. And then this piece is 7/8 by 7/8. And let's see, I'll just put it on the right way. There we go. I'm going to use the 2020 to 2022 in color square gems. Haven't used them yet, so I'm going to pull the pink one, I think. The pink, oh, I really like these. I should have used them more when I had them. I'm just going to put a little square dot right on top. Cute. Whoops. Let's try to make it straight, shall we? Whoops. Come on. There you go. Aw, that's so cute. Not going to do too much to it. It's a small box and it's pretty busy, but I'm using the same paper, just a different page. And that is my share for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to a Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So here they are, the fold flat boxes. See how they can be stored? Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.